Oh, we got a bad boy here. It's a 1970 Chevelle with a Dart 540 big block under the hood with about 600 horsepower, air conditioned, upgraded suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, stereo system, all sorts of goodies. Now, just a few days ago, I presented to you a 1969 Camaro that was white with black stripes, and we talked about how you just don't see white Camaros. You don't see white 70 Chevelles that often either. Well, it turns out I bought both cars from the same guy, the white Camaro and the white Chevelle. Maybe you should buy both of them. They looked really cool sitting next to each other. You can go to volocars.com and look at 200 classic cars, all different colors. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, buckle up. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a pretty tough looking car, but yet classy. Tall, raised cowl hood, fits beautifully. It's straight. Everything looks real nice. Fenders are real nice. All looking good. Clean fenders, straight, smooth, glossy, flush, square gaps around the door. All this looking real nice. No issues. Oh, it's locked. Let's see, boy, it opens hard. Wow, I didn't think I did it hard enough, and it closed. The roof and the sail panel and the quarter panels, all this is looking really nice, really. It all fits nice, straight, clean, beautiful metal, square, nice. Look at the quarter panels. Oh, there's a little mark. Nope, that wiped off. All right. All the way down to the bottom. Look how nice it is. Look how the wheel well molding fits the contour of the body just right. All smooth, square, flush. Nice. Look at the door jambs, how slick they're painted even. So yeah, the body and the paint is outstanding. It's white and it's polished like white glass. The stripes, smooth to the touch. I can't feel them at all. New windshield. The rest of the glass is tinted. You can see it on our website. Nice dark glass. Goes with the white and black, real nice. The chrome, I can tell standing here, it's all sparkling. All the stainless moldings, the mirrors, the wheel well moldings, the 540 emblems, the bezels, the bumper. Now you might notice those are the halo headlights. You can light up the halo around there, probably in different colors. They're LED headlights. Bumper's beautiful. Sitting on some US mag wheels, wrapped in some performance tires. I am trying to find the size here. They are 18s. Beautiful chrome wheels, bigger in the back. They're wider for sure. And they are 20s, 20-inch tall and wider. Coming around the back, the bumper, the emblems, the trim, everything shiny, straight, beautiful car. LED taillights I noticed as they pulled the car in here. Good looking car. Got to show you that Dart motor under the hood. All right, let's see what we have inside the trunk. Well, under the trunk lid, painted very nice, smooth, glossy. Same thing with the jamb, got new rubber. And look how it's all boxed out. I've not seen this before. These actually open, these compartments. You got a little bit of storage behind each one of them. I already peeked in there, and you can see it's really nicely spatter painted. There's also sound deadener, and of course you got a carpeted floor. This gives it a really nice finished look. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. So we just talked a minute ago about how nice the jambs are painted, weather strips, sill plates are replaced. It looks like it has a reproduction door panels and armrests and window cranks. Fits real nice. And looking inside here, it has a nice clean dash panel. This here will light up. It's a controller for the transmission. You can adjust how you want it to shift and function. The vents are new, but all this is real nice and clean. New vents here, new, oh, get these fuzzy dice out of my way. New climate control panel. The original radio is in place. There's a hidden stereo. This here is a switch for the exhaust dumps. You can open it up and make things really rumble. The dash pad is new. Inside the glove box is clean. We have an owner's manual. The light works. I was talking about a stereo system. Here's some nice kick panel speakers with tweeters. A nice carpet, Chevelle mat. Nice console. Here's the digital screen for the sniper fuel injection. You got the staple shifter. And there's your stereo. Rockford Fosgate stereo control right here. I think this turns on the halo around the headlights. The seats are completely rebuilt, recushioned. They're nice and firm. There's no wrinkles. Headrest, chrome trim, the plastic trim. Looks like everything's been replaced. We have seat belts in the back. Floor mats in the back as well. Hopefully the seat belts are under the seat. Might want to ask the salesman to double check that. The upholstery looks real good. Side panels have been replaced. The rear shelf is built up. That's custom. I can see there's some 6x9 speakers underneath the rear shelf. The headliner is redone. Fits nicely. The visors look nice. The mirror looks new. Now this is a custom steering wheel, and here's some controllers for your stereo, so you don't have to open the center console. You can control it from right there. And then we have some pillar gauges, oil pressure, and water temperature. So it has some little extras going on in here. Let's go check out that big engine. Yeah, it's a 540 Dart engine. I confirmed that with the codes that were on the block. I'll pull up my notes. It also has Dart Pro 1 aluminum heads, a Dart aluminum high-rise intake that looks like it's been like powder coated or ceramic coated. MSD ignition system. Nice K&N filter on top, some nice chromed valve covers, some nice big fat coated headers. And then we have a factory air conditioned car, a fuel regulator. The front of the motor has polished components, the alternator, serpentine pulleys and belt. A nice chrome cover over the custom aluminum radiator with two big electric fans to keep it running cool. Polished air compressor for the AC. You got power steering down there. Wilwood master cylinder. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention what's under the air cleaner. Sniper EFI fuel injection. This is a fiberglass hood which fits and functions really well. It's nice and smooth and light. The springs hold it open real nicely. Got new horns. So yeah, Michael will show you this powerhouse, what it can do, and I'll see you back in a couple minutes.
Everybody, got a ground pounder here today. 540 cubic inch Dart engine under the hood. That's paired with a 4L80E automatic overdrive transmission. So it is, kind of cruiser friendly, if you will. Take the long way to the cruise night with this one. It is fuel injected as well, so you get that turnkey reliability. Our shop went over the car top to bottom, and we spent about a $2,000 bill on it. We fixed a couple things, and nothing major really. That was between detail and repairs. So if you need all the specifics of that, you can contact our sales department or go on our website. There's a listing of it there. But really strong running beast over here. It's got boatloads of horsepower. Power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a trans controller. You got your fuel injection controller there as well. Exhaust dumps. I don't know if we can see real quick. That'll never get old. Let's see what she's got. We're gonna baby her because it's cold out today, so. Just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no issue at all. Yeah, she's quick. I was like halfway in the throttle, barely. Just wants to go. Very nice ride there. Lots of suspension upgrades too. Go ahead and check out the pictures of the undercarriage. It's very impressive. See how she goes down the road. That's a good one. Very nice alignment there. Spot on. So yeah, we also got the heater on. That is running. It has air conditioning too. But yeah, come down, test drive it for yourself. It's a great ride. Really quick. Someone's gonna have a blast in this one, and maybe even get in a little trouble. So check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So underneath has had a lot of work done to it. The whole front end's been rebuilt, replaced, upgraded. It's a QA1 coilover adjustable gas shocks with big fat tubular control arms, a fat sway bar, steering, suspension, all that's upgraded. Back boxed control arms, lowering springs, gas shocks, new fuel tank, Willwood disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors at all four of the wheels. Nice custom exhaust system with a crossover pipe, Flowmaster mufflers, cowbell tips coming out the back. And don't forget, it has those electric dumps. You hit the button and really want to shake the earth. You look up at the motor, nice and clean, high torque starter. It's a 4L80E electric overdrive transmission. And again, it has that controller inside, which maybe the salesman can explain a little better, but you can make it shift differently depending what you're looking to get out of it. Custom drive shaft goes back to a 12-bolt posi rear with a chrome cover. Floors look real nice and solid. This is a pretty hot car. I think it's going to stand out from all the other red and blue and silver Chevelles. Go to volocars.com. Ask the salesman your questions, including how to get your Chevelle delivered home. If you need financing, they can assist with that too. Thanks for watching.